Lifting equipment is fundamental in the industry. However, its use requires the necessary skills to ensure the safety of workers and of the equipment. However, we, 3Bmust International, proudly introduce a new product into the market that directly addresses this problem. In collaboration with the University of Pisa, a professional training program for lifting equipment operators has been created that includes an incredible tool. We are pleased to announce our own simulator. It is a workstation equipped with a virtual reality headset and advanced realistic crane simulation software integrated into the practical portion of our course. During the course, the student will be able to operate a crane within a virtual environment, using buttons, joysticks, and visual feedback such as lights and display, just like in a real working environment. The crane movement is performed through two joysticks. The left one allows boom raising, lowering, and slewing. The right one instead controls the hook, which works with the same maneuvers. The practical course also includes a simulation of environmental phenomena that can impair the operator's visibility with the aim of preparing the student for the most challenging crane use situations. Naturally, use of the simulator is supervised by one of our instructors, who will train students to operate the crane safely and precisely, thus professionally preparing them for the role as operators. This, however, is only a small part of the entire training pathway, since the instructor will also offer a theoretical course covering the main principle of crane operation and the specific model chosen, which will define which type of lifting equipment the student will be certified to operate. The working environment and the equipment are customizable, allowing the operator to be specialized according to the crane type desired. For example, from column-mounted cranes in offshore environments to mobile cranes in port or construction site settings. Our goal is to offer a modern and effective training pathway. Student satisfaction and the development of their skills are objective we aim to fully achieve, because safety itself is the principle that defines us. 3Bmust International. Technology at the service of training.